What's up, everyone? It's Sarah from Poppy Joe's Pastures. This week we have just like a little weekly vlog taking you guys kind of into our farm life, farm chores. It's February 1st. We have a lot of goals for just this month. Honestly, just this weekend, there's a lot of stuff that we want to get done. The weather is so beautiful, thank you Lord. It's like 65 degrees out and sunny right now. There's a slight breeze, it's amazing. The past few weeks have just been straight up cold, and I don't like the cold. Doug doesn't like the cold. Doing stuff out here when it's cold is not as fun. And so, yeah, this weekend, Doug wanted to do service on the tractor, so you'll see some of that. We want to get a lot of branches up that we cleared along the fence line and get them in our burn pile, so you'll see us using the tractor for some of that. We want to kind of stake out the garden and start kind of talking about our garden plan and really starting to make that happen. We got 2 new tractor attachments. We got like a disc harrow and a seeder, and Doug went and picked them up yesterday. And so I mean, we want to test out the disc harrow, and it'll be really good to start tilling up our garden area. And eventually we really got that attachment for these pastures, which kind of probably later in the month. And in March, we're going to start harrowing, kind of digging them up a little bit. That way we can seed them really hard for, you know, the future cows that we hope to have maybe by the end of this year if we're lucky. So I feel like that's the agenda for this weekend. But there's always more, and there's always random stuff. Yeah, come along with us for a little weekend of chores, a little week on Poppy Joe's Pastures.
How dirty it is?
Drink it.
Just right under there.
Oh my gosh. It looks so smooth. One thing that we're trying to focus on as I wipe my nose with my t-shirt is just like finishing the things that we started. There's so much to do, and we get so excited, and certain projects are more fun than others and that type of thing. So I feel like we both sometimes will start something and we'll make really good progress, but we don't totally like put the nail in the coffin and finish it. And so like the fence right now is a good example. We cleared a lot of it and we started making burn piles, but like we still are looking at so many branches just laying on the ground. Like, let's just finish it. Let's clear it up. Let's burn the piles. Let's keep it moving.
the dogs outside.
I know.
They were barking in the room.
I know. I heard one of them. Okay.
This is 25 feet.
I mean, I want to keep going.
All right, so put it down and put a stake right where it's at. Yeah, that's good. I'll do the rest. That's good.
And then I'll come stand where you are.
Right here.
Yeah, that looks good. How many feet? I'm trying to
It is. Here's 11, so that was.
Let's go back down to 10.
Well, but it was at 24, wasn't it?
No, that's 25.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, so throw me a stick. Hold it. Okay.
What's that?
25.
I think that's perfect.
Yeah, because I think if we went too much farther, it would start to slow.
Yeah. Well, it's good to know we know it's 25 on this one.
Huh?
We know it's 25 now. So it's 35 by 25.
Yeah.
Well, you thought it was 24. We got a garden. Got a garden. I go on and on. Can't understand how it lasts so long. Can't hang with the big dogs. Get on the porch. Blow the whistle.
Here, Billy Bark.
Yes, you're supposed to blow the whistle. Do, 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 blow the whistle. If you know what I'm dancing to, go birds, baby. Go freaking birds. job, babe.
Thank you.
Love your pants.
Thanks. You want to do the next one?
No. Today we're talking about garden planning. We're gonna get some cabbage seeds started for indoors. Definitely notice the seed starting mix, not potting mix, not raised bed mix, not container mix or in-ground mix, seed starting mix. This is what the seeds need to get the party started. So I'm adding a little bit to this bowl. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water because we want the mix to be moist, not soggy, moist. All right, now I'm just gonna fill up like a little bit of this tray because we don't need that much cabbage. And I wanna do some succession planting. So I'm just gonna take my finger and go down like 1/4 of an inch, a little hole. A little hole for my cabbage. And now we just plant them. I'm gonna do 2 per hole, and then I could thin out whatever doesn't grow. I could thin them out. And now I'm ever so slightly gonna just cover them back up. I'm not gonna press too hard. Just I'm gonna give them a little cover. All right, now I'm gonna give them a good little misting. What in the frickin' world? Don't do what I'm doing. I have my little dome, and really they're gonna go in a dark 65 to 75 degree environment. I have this space here where I will put the grow lights, and I'm gonna keep them, you know, what is it, 2 inches from the little seedlings. And the grow lights I'll keep on for 14 hours a day. I'll pretty much turn them off before we go to bed, and then I'll turn them on when I wake up in the morning. And yeah, in like 4 to 6 weeks, I'll be transplanting these outside. For us, we're doing in-ground, you know, row gardening. But we have a 35-foot by 25-foot garden bed laid out, and we're gonna start tilling it. So our plan for the in-ground garden is to till it up like 6 to 8 inches deep. Again, I also know there's controversy with tilling. We have to till this go around, and kind of the thought process is through each season of gardening more and more, as the soil becomes more nutritious and delicious, there's gonna be less tilling that we have to do. But this go around, we're tilling hard. And then we're gonna add an inch or 2 of compost on top of it for that kind of nature's fertilizer, and then we're gonna plant. All right, we are starting to till the garden. It's the 5 to 9 after the 9 to 5, baby. We got a new tractor attachment for our TYM tractor, which we love, TYM. I've been hitting you up. I'm just waiting for that response now. But we got a disc harrow and we got a seeder. We also threw in a trailer because we know that we'll need one eventually. But we will share a video eventually of attaching and detaching the attachments because it was really difficult yesterday and it was a little tense. Here we are. We got the tractor man.
Will you tell me if the front is going down? I'm gonna spin it this way. Look at the front.
I'm not seeing anything move. I don't know if that did anything. The back is definitely down.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Hey guys, so I'm still getting used to this YouTube world and I need to be better about talking to the camera and like maybe having a bit of a plan when I make my videos. But I just finished editing this. Thank you so much for watching if you're still watching at this point. And this is just my little outro that I forgot to film. We post new videos every single Sunday. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll definitely get back to you. But next Sunday, that video is going to be all about spring garden planning, prepping as beginner gardeners, you know, everything that we want to plant, what we did to work with our soil, starting to till the garden, building the fence around the garden, planting onions, starting seeds, just like all things spring garden. So we'll catch y'all next week for that video.